We are pleased to show you the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, cruise control, trip odometer, clock, power brakes, compass, cargo area light, front stabilizer bar. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.